you start though, your bag is gonna be dry sand filling into it, okay? So first step is fill up your pan with some water and give it a really good shake. Like really shake it enough that you're loosening up that sand. What that's gonna do is it's gonna allow the gold, which is the heaviest thing, to sink down to the bottom, okay? When you start to pan, there's these ridges on one side. You're gonna want everything to wash over the top of those ridges. So as I shake it, I actually tilt it a little bit in the direction of those ridges. So the gold will go to the lowest part of the pan, right underneath those ridges. Then when I start to pan, I'm gonna start with 2 hands, but I'll probably change it over to 1 hand there in a second. But this is probably how you'll do it. Get that pan down in the water and see how it just has this little bit of an angle there? As you start to pan, you're just gonna go back and forth enough that you're washing a layer of sand out at a time. So just kind of let the water do the work. It's lifting it up. I'm not just tossing stuff out of there. Just keep doing it, and every once in a while, shake it up again a little bit more, and just keep working it here. Usually, as you're doing it, you'll start finding a lot of those little gemstones first. This dirt doesn't have much because, again, it's been pretty picked over, so I'm not seeing many gems in here. But if there's gold, it's going to stay sitting at the bottom. So you can be picking out anything that looks good. And if I don't find gold, I'll show you a different one with a little bit of real gold in it too, so that you can see me find it. So this is going a lot faster than what it will for you most likely, but it's already pretty picked over. I don't have to take too much time to go through it. I'm going to get down to the last little bit. I'm going to use the water now. Just kind of wash it back to the other side of the pan. And you can see there's a bunch of black sand up here at the top. If there's gold, that's usually where it's hiding. When there is some gold, see that flake that's sitting there? That's the only one. But you can see how everything else washed away, but that flake is still there. So I'm going to grab my little vial here. This is where we collect the leftover stuff.